Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to edit a rainbow look using a Picsart editing app. Just go to Picsart and click on plus mark and choose whatever the photo you need. Then I'm gonna adjust it by decreasing my brightness level approx 45. Once it is done, click on right mark. Later go to the tools and click on curves. I'm fixing the curve in such a way that it should get a dim look on my face. Once it's done, give on tick mark and search for this option. It is the combination of small sparkles. I'm decreasing my size and spreading all over my face. This is how it looks like. Once it's done, go on tick mark. Later go on brush again and click on Rainbowlook and increase some opacity size, and I'm just checking the size of rainbow whether it will fit properly to my eyes. Meanwhile, I'm gonna increase the size and spreading eventually to my eyes. Once you feel it's perfect, go ahead. Once it's done, just go to the next step where you feel creative. Like I'm going to the brushes and clicking on this option and decreasing my size and opacity and spreading out like this. Once you feel the size is perfect, just spread it out in your face however you want. This matters like how creative you are. And yeah, I did many trials and errors to get a exquisite look on my face. Once it's done, give on tick mark and go to the sticker option. Since it's a rainbow look, guys, just search for a rainbow in a sticker section, and here I am just adjusting my rainbow such that it should be parallel to my eyes. Click on tick mark like once you feel it's done. I'm gonna adjust it again. Now go to the erase option and just erase the unwanted stuff which is overlay on my hairs. Once it's done, give on tick mark. And later go to the tools and go to the adjust and just decrease the brightness. And here I'm just checking out like where my look looks attractive. So I'm checking out with HUE and highlights and temperature, etc. I'm just adjusting my face and you'll get an idea like when you can use different filters or temperatures according to your face. Meanwhile, here also I'm just checking out like which looks look perfect on my photo and adjusting accordingly. And again going to the tools and dimming the brightness. And later I'm gonna add some saturation for my photo, and this is how it looks. Guys, if you want to use a filter, you can use a different filter which is available free in Picsart. And that's it, it's done. I'm gonna save this to my gallery. Hope you guys like this video. If you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up, and thanks a lot guys.